Julian, sorry, has asked a question. Do you treat people, or do you take people who are suffering from Parkinson's, and is it effective for them?
Yes, I have. I have one chap who's got Parkinson's.
Mm-hmm.
Whether it's effective for him, it's not for me to say, but he enjoys the class. He comes along each week. And again, it's confidence, I think, with him.
Yeah.
You know, on his bad days, he can't do as much, and that's absolutely fine. We find him something else to do, or something similar that doesn't take as much effort, you know, if he's having a tremor, or if he's having a bad day. But yeah, Parkinson's and dementia, I've got quite a few clients with dementia. Right. It helps them, and I think it helps their carers as well.
How does it help the patients with dementia?
So again, I do it to music. So there's that remembrance with the music, and they seem, a lot of people have that connection, especially with dementia and music. So that always helps. Yeah. It gives them a little bit back, confidence, but also independence. You know, it's really hard when you've got dementia. You obviously can't be left on your own. And I think a lot of people suffer with the independence when they've first diagnosed with dementia, and come into a class where they know that they're safe and secure and gently exercising is a really good thing for them and for the people who look after them.